Most students learn the M.A.D method for multiplying mixed numbers, and that's a great method, but did you know there's another way? Today I'll show you how to multiply mixed numbers using distribution, and this method helps us understand what's really happening when we multiply mixed numbers. We have 2 and 1/2 times 1 and 1/4, and we're going to solve this using distribution. But our first step is to rewrite it as a sum. And a mixed number is really a whole number plus a fraction. So starting with 2 and 1/2, we'll rewrite it as 2 plus 1/2. And we'll rewrite 1 and 1/4 as 1 plus 1/4. And let's enclose them in parentheses, starting with 2 plus 1/2. And then 1 plus 1/4. So now we have two sums being multiplied together. The second step then is for us to distribute. And distribution means every term in the first parentheses must multiply by every term in the second parentheses. So that looks like this. So we have 2 times 1, and we have 2 times 1/4. And then we have 1/2 times 1, and 1/2 times 1/4. All right, so let's go ahead and write this out. We have 2 times 1. We have 2 times 1/4. We have 1/2 times 1. And we have 1/2 times 1/4. Okay, so here we have 4 products. Now our third step is for us to multiply each part. So let's go ahead and do that. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1/4 is 2/4. 1/2 times 1 is 1/2. And 1/2 times 1/4 is 1/8. So now our fourth step here is for us to simplify. But I want you to notice we have 2/4. Well, 2/4 simplifies to 1/2. So let's rewrite this as 2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/8. All right, and notice something else. 1/2 plus 1/2. Well, 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1 whole. So we'll rewrite this. And that is 2 plus 1 plus 1/8. Bringing this all together, 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 1/8. And 3 plus 1/8 as a mixed number is 3 and 1/8. That's the final answer. So I will leave you with this. The M.A.D method is usually faster, but distribution helps us understand what's really happening. And instead of converting to improper fractions right away, we're actually multiplying every part of one mixed number by every part of the other. And I will leave you also with a common mistake, and that is multiplying only the whole numbers, like 2 times 1 equals 2. Don't stop after multiplying the whole numbers. You must multiply every term by every term. Now you've seen another way to multiply mixed numbers using distribution. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. And as always, keep practicing and stay tuned for more calm, clear math lessons right here on MathByTV.